Welcome to the channel, Mac Dr. Bill. Thanks, and I appreciate every single one of you have subscribed, like, and comment. Alright, boys, so we're working on my Civic bumper today. I got a crack repaired. I'm gonna try a plastic weld, make it all one. Not really no body work, just trying to weld it from the inside, make it strong so I could use it. Also, I'm installing a lip that I have on it. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, clean things up a little bit. The bumper was rotted, so I cut it off, cleaned up things a little bit. I'm working on the rear bumper today. I have a lip that I want to install, and we're doing a bumper repair, plastic welded. Pretty much all I have for today, but it's important to tweak things up, make things a little more cleaner on the Civic. Still got body work on this side coming up. the next week or so. In the meantime, we knock things out. Alright, this is plastic welded. It's not the best looking, but it's all one through the front and the back parts. So I'm gonna throw a little fiberglass through the inside so it's reinforced. This I'm gonna sand it, and we put maybe a little coating of icing, but this is good money. Like I could take care of that in some other episode off camera. The repair is done. I'm gonna simply proceed before daylight goes out and start installing the lip on the bumper as well. Alright, lip is on. Cracked the bumper by accident. Not fully, just a little bit. So, it's a bummer, but can you do? So I'm just gonna touch it up. Started raining again, so like always something. But overall, I'll end up fixing this tomorrow. We got a flat glass anyway, but got the lip on. Like the look of the lip. Finally, the match up with the front. Now I don't know if I could put my mud flags. We'll see real quick. I managed to put the mud flags on. Not quite 100% fitment, but we got them on. Being that I got the front they got a little bit of gap issues since factory anyway, so to me it looks alright. It's on place, not going anywhere. I like how they look. So I dig it. Some people might not like it with the mud flags on, but each his own. I guess I said some place, not gonna go anywhere. The lip is fastened in place as well. Now finally matching the front bumper. It cracked there a little bit, but I could fix it off camera. So on another episode, we still got body work to do. I wanted to put the lip on and sort of trying to plastic weld that. I know that by me trying to put it in place and tie it up, right now I'm holding it with screws here because the brackets from the back, they are MIA, so I have to improvise. But bumper is on, it's not falling out. Got the new lip on. Quarter panel's looking all right. That's bad, boys. Little by little. Little by little. Like how I look with the lip as well. The duck built spoiler. I guess the extra little look that I was looking for. Again, nothing too crazy, but you know, just trying to give it a little more style, if you want to say. Get in there. Get in there. Alright, boys, it's gonna be a wrap. Car not looking too bad. Working with what I have. I want to take my time and shout out Alcido LED light beams from coming on board to the channel. Make sure you check out the website. Use coupon code MATDAC, capital letters, for 15% off. Make sure you check out their lights and their website. I thank them for coming aboard with this build. So it looks like not looking too bad, boys. Not looking too bad. Alright, but I'm gonna cut this short. This is what I have for today. More thanks and appreciate every single one of you that have subscribed, like, and comment on the channel. I thank y'all for your support. I thank y'all for your support. Till the next time. Peace.